Hi lovelies, today I'm going to be discussing with you about evergreen content secret. When we are talking about evergreen content secret, I mean especially the earnings. But the earnings, they come along with our views, they come along with the watch duration, and they come along with the engagement. So in today's video, you're going to get, it is going to be long by the way, a lot of it is going to be lengthy. So the first cluster, I'm going to bring for you one of the witness, that is the confirmation of evergreen content. That is one of my video. That then from there we'll be talking about the benefits of it and what exactly is evergreen content. We'll go dive in and also talk about how to really score and say that this is evergreen content. I think this is the way to go. So I'm bringing for you this video that has only stayed with me or in our channel for 7 days, and behold, it is real evergreen content. As you can see it on the screen, I'm bringing for you a screen recording. But before that, you guys, good morning. Thank you very much everybody that has been on Immaculate Show and is always trusting in us. We bring you the tips to make sure that you grow your channel. We bring you the tips to make sure that above all you earn money from your sweat, from coming on the camera. You make sure that that gadget you're handling, as long as it is a smartphone, it can bring you money. So I'm bringing for you this video and I'm going to start the screen recording. As you can see on the screen, it is around 7 days as I record this video, and on the first day it had only 17 views. The second day the same, it was increasing. So behold, 2 days back when I was going to check, I'd always go and optimize videos. I found the video was in 600 something. As I record this video, is now 729 within 7 days. For Immaculate Show, it is not ordinary because this is the real example of evergreen content. So we uploaded it on January 7th and I'm making this video after 7 days. Yes, so it is ranking 1 out of 10 with 729 views, and impression click is superb. It is 7%. When we talk about the impression click, it is great job. YouTube people on YouTube are choosing to watch this video more often than usual. This is so beautiful. If you don't know what click, the impression click rate, that is CTR, I want you to go and research about it. The average view duration is 2.32, which is good. Let me go in details. Now we see who are these people watching this video. We are going to go to audience, then from there we are going to the main body of this video. By the way, this video is being watched by people of 25 to 34 years, majorly 100%, and it has scored a high revenue as of now. Then the engagement is so superb. It has 23.8 more than usual as in terms of watch time, and the returning viewers, this is one of the video that has gotten good number of returning viewers, 109. It has unique viewers who are 604, and subscribers, it has scored 20 subscribers as I record this video. Is about evergreen content, and evergreen content, you know, it boosts YouTube views, like the way you can see it boosts the engagement, and even it maximizes, of course, the earnings forever. Before we do everything, you guys, let me tell you, if you really want today to earn money, I want you to start thinking about evergreen content, because it has made me smile and it always makes me smile. You might see a video is having 20 views, but it is always increasing. Now I know you might be there as a creator, but you don't know what exactly is evergreen content. Evergreen content is a content that is timeless. It is relevant and continuously it attracts attention, it attracts viewers, unlike seasonal content or trending content. Trending content, you bring it today, it will boost and it will kick the buckets and everybody will be ranking highly, but at the same time it will not be remain there forever, it will go down. But evergreen content, even after 7 years, even after 1 year, it will come back. So now if you hear about evergreen content, I know you should first understand, before I dive into evergreen content, what are the benefits. The benefits, you should have seen them from the video I showed you. The first benefits of evergreen content, it is increased YouTube views. Every time people will be looking for it. Why? Because it is having key searchable words, it is relatable to situation every day. People want to earn this money. You get a second benefit, it is about improved engagement. If you can see these videos, even after some time, people will be asking you, how do I do this? Because people are impatient. They want to know. Others will be thanking you, thanks for this. You see someone thanking you, you go to check, you find it is a video of some month ago. So by this one, it is 7 days, but it's still gaining momentum. What about by the time it is 1 month? Now let's go to the third benefit. The third benefit is maximize earnings. I tell you the truth, this is where we always get money from. We don't get money from trending videos. We get money from evergreen videos because they are paid highly, and even the more people search for it, the more the advertisers increase. Today you'll find you have CPM of 20. After 3 days you'll find you have a CPM of 40. True, but unbelievable for especially people who have not smelled that. We have the fourth benefit is reduced content creation pressure. You guys, you see, I still have that pressure because there is a certain stage, there is a certain target I'm on. But seriously, if you see the videos that I do recent, they don't bring money. What brings money is the videos that I did long time. So it reduces your pressure. The moment you click and get the right code, you reach that extent of saying, I can do 1 video per day, or I can do 3 videos per week. But still, when you're still finding you're still finding the algorithm, you're still finding the code. That's why we are doing all these videos. But there's that time that you're going to do 1 video per 3 days. Then it enhances credibility. Why? It establishes the authority in your niche. The moment you have that green content, you will not suffer. Better CEO rankings. As you all know, I always tell you, it is not only to tell you, but it is known. The moment you go to Google and search for any video, it will direct you to YouTube. Search for anything, you'll find it will direct you, meaning that YouTube is the second search engine, second to Google. And by the way, YouTube is being owned by Google, so that's why it is second ranking as far as searching is concerned. So Google favors this one so much, and Google favors timeless content compared to trending content. Then it has also long-term relevancy. Everything that has long-term relevance is always marketable. So you're going to earn from it today, you're going to earn from it tomorrow and next day. You might be there. Let's dive in and go to the third segment. The third segment is about how to create this evergreen content. You guys, we can create evergreen content wherever you are. What you need to do, you need to choose timeless topics. Avoid these topics that are they are going to die off. Because we want to invest in something that we are going to sleep and find money there. Then you ask yourself, where did this money coming from? Then the second that I will emphasize on, I might not be following it right now, but you who is watching me should follow it. It is about focus on quantity rather than focus on quality rather than quantity. If you know you have time and you've gotten your timeless topics, make the best video. Even if you do 1 video in 3 days, that 1 video can even compensate for all this one. But what matters is when you optimize, because if you're still like Christine who is getting 30-40 views, that's why you have to compensate by make 3 to 4. Don't forget this, you guys. When you're creating evergreen content, what you need to do is to optimize for CEOs. I always tell you about optimization of CEOs, and this is what really matters so much now that I've seen. Even this video that you've seen, if you go and check its description, it is highly optimized from its title. So What are you going to use, you guys? We have very many search engines, search tools. Go and optimize them. Let's make money. This money is not competitive. This money is our disposal. Use VIDQ, use TubeMate, use Meta IA, use, there are a lot of them that you can use. You can even go ahead and use ChatGPT. These tools can help us to do that. Then another way, what you should not forget to do, it is titles. Use grabbing titles. Now I've seen, they should not be clickbait, but let them catchy. How do you do? I'm trying to learn and I'm reaching there, but how am I trying to generate my titles? What I do, I also use these tools and I tell them, please, I want catchy, I want it short, I want it add some excitement. The only thing, you feed them what you want. If you know it is being optimized, you feed it. So let's go out there and use this evergreen content for our own benefit. Don't forget, you guys, to do this. How do you forget to use repurpose content? There are some people who are always there and are asking themselves, why is Christine repurposing? There are some other people who are going to say, why is Christine doing? But she said it in this video the other day. But Maki, find the title is different. Even the whole concept is different, but it is focusing because it is almost repetitive. So why not use it? Why not use it? If you know it is going to bring you money and it is also going to teach somebody out there. So please use it. Incorporate it with engaging visuals. I've come to see most people love to see, that they love to watch, than over listening. When you put some visuals which are very appealing, that is very, very good. The another segment, which is fourth segment, you're going to say, Christine, how do I do this evergreen content? Do you know evergreen content? I've seen it is easier to do them. You can do them in the form of tutorials, like what I do. You can do it in reviews. By the make me remember, I'll bring for you reviews. At least I need to do like 5 reviews. Then you can also put them in listicles, as in making of articles, but listicles. Then you can also how to do guides, like what I also do. Then personal stories. I've been telling you about this. This is what evergreen content can do. Even on industry insights, you can do this. You guys, with evergreen content, it can transform your YouTube. When we talk about transforming your YouTube, what I always focus on, I mean amount of money that we earn. Your CPM, it has to be high. And even the way they will search for you. You saw like the way I got excited, because if the video is having 20 views, it is increasing. This is what all we need. But if I get views now, I get 1 million views today, and it dies off. The small money you've gotten from that 1 million views is what you remain with forever for the rest of your What about if you ever see it coming? So as we have discussed, let us go evergreen. You guys, in whichever industry you're in, sit down and see, how can I make it go evergreen? I brought one of my the market video, to show you that evergreen content is great and it pays highly. So guys, what do you think? Do you think we can, 2025, we can start it? Yes, we can start it. Why not? If not, see you in another video with another evergreen content.